Now this is question number 3 for October-November 2019, question number 7. Question is, here you can see this diagram. In part A, we have to describe fully the single transformation that map the shape A onto shape B. So we have to describe this transformation. This shape is transferred to this shape. We have to describe the transformation. Most probably it is a reflection. How we can confirm that it is reflection? From here, let's suppose I'm going to select this point. Let's select this point. Move one step from here and one step from here. No, not reaching at same point. Okay, two steps from here. 1, 2, and two steps from here. Yes, reaching the same point. So it means this is the line of reflection for them. I can even draw the line of reflection also. So it is reflection. So that is the mirror of that reflection, you can say. Line of reflection or mirror line. So it is reflection about what is this line? It's a horizontal line. So any horizontal line is always y equal to. It's passing through -1, so y equal to -1. So it is a reflection about y is equal to -1. Next, part B is on the grid, draw the image of shape A after translation by this vector. Now we have to translate the shape A by this vector, -3, 4. Now in translation, just the position change, but not the shape. So this is translation vector -3, 4. So if I look at the translation vector -3, 4, what does it mean? It means for every vertex we have to move it 3 steps towards left, because this tells you x value and this tells you the y value. So -3 means we have to move every vertex to the left 3 points, like 1, 2, 3. So for example, this vertex will shift here. In the same way, this vertex not here, but we also have to move 4 steps upwards. For moving 4 steps upward, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means this vertex will shift here. In the same way, this vertex 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This vertex will shift here. Similarly, this one 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. And this vertex 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see we translated this one, and in translation just its position changed, but shape remained same. So part B1 is done. Now part B2, the shape A after rotation 180 degree through 0, 0. Now we have to rotate this shape. We need to rotate this shape about 0, 0 through 180 degree. And we know that the rule for the rotation is this xy will change to -x, -y when we rotate about 180 degree. So we need to write down the coordinate of each of these points. If I will write the coordinate of this point, the coordinate of this point is -1, 1. In the same way, the coordinate of this point is -3, 1. The coordinate of this point is -2, 3. The coordinate of this point is -3, 3. Now, if I will rotate them according to this rule, so according to this rule, this rotation will become this -1, 1. What is the meaning of xy to -xy? Means change the sign of the coordinates. So that will become 1, -1, -3, 1 will become 3, -1. In the same way, -2, 3 will become 2, -3. minus 3, 3 will become 3 minus 3. Now draw these new coordinates that will be rotation about, of 180 degree about 0, 0. So let's do. It is 1 minus 1. This is 1, y minus 1. The first point. In the same way, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will be here. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. This is 2 minus 3. And 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is here. So we can join them. You can see this rotation is done. So this A has been rotated about 0, 0 through 180 degree. Next part B3 is shape A after an enlargement of scale factor 2 with center minus 70. So first thing is you need to focus on the center because this time center is not 0, 0. Center is minus 70. Where is minus 70? Let's see, this is minus 70. So this will be your center of enlargement. From this center of enlargement, now I need to write the coordinate of each point of this one. Then the scale factor is, as the scale factor is 2, so I will use this scale factor here. So let's first, you can say this is your new origin, in other words. So using this one, you can say this is your new origin. So from here you can write the new coordinates. These will be, this is the new origin. So from here, write the coordinate of this one. So let's write the coordinate of this one, 1 by 1, and then we will use the scale factor 2 to enlarge them. Okay, for example, for this one, if I will say this point, the coordinate of this point from here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So 6, 1 are the coordinate of this point. Because now this is our origin, so you have to calculate the coordinate from here. From this point, you will calculate the coordinates. Okay, then next one is the coordinate of this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1. 4, 1 are the coordinate of this point. Then next, the coordinate of this point are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So 5, 3. Now coordinate of this point from this center, because this is our center of enlargement. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 3. Now these are the coordinates. Our scale factor is 2. As according to the question, the scale factor is 2. So it means now each coordinate I will multiply with 2 to get the new coordinate. So when I will multiply this with 2, so I will get the new coordinate as 12, 2. Multiplying this with 2, the new coordinate will be 8. If I would take the new coordinate is going to be h2. If I will multiply this with 2, so the new coordinate will be 10, 6. If I will multiply this with 2, the new coordinate will be 8, 6. So now again from this origin, because this is your center, so this will be your origin throughout. So with according to this origin, now write the coordinates, new coordinates. So 12, 2. First 12, 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So this point is 12, 2. Now 8, 2. 8, 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 2. 8, 2. Now after that, the next one, if I will consider, the next one is 10, 6. Okay, what is 10, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 10, 6. And the next one, 8, 6. 8, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 8, 6. So now we did this enlargement with the center minus 700. This is the enlargement. So this part is also complete now. Next we have question number 8, which is from the probability. The question is, a bag contains 4 red marbles and 2 yellow marbles. Mean there is a bag. Inside this bag there are 4 red marbles. Let's suppose these are 4 red marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red marbles and 2 yellow marbles. Okay, let's choose 2 yellow marbles. I think I don't have the color option for the yellow. Yes, I have the option for the yellow color. So 2 yellow marbles. 1, 2. Now, Behance picks up 2 marbles at random without replacement. This point is very important. He or she is choosing 2 marbles without replacement. So we have to find the probability. We need to find out the probability that the marbles are both red. I mean the first one is red and the second one is also red. So let's go for the probability for both red marbles. So if both are red marble, it means what will be the probability when we will select the first marble as the red marble? It will be 4 out of total 6, because you can see the total are 6. So the probability will be 4 out of 6 time when for the second one, in first red and second also red. So when second red now will be 3 out of 5. So it's 12 over 30, which if you want to write in the lowest form you can write. It will be, or leave it in this form, doesn't matter in the probability, no need to simplify. The part 2 is the marbles are not both red. When the marbles are not both red, it means in that case we have the probability of both red, which is 12 over 30. So we know that if there is an event A, we know the probability of A, then probability of not A is always 1 minus the probability of A. So using that one, if we know the probability of both red, then probability of not both red will be 1 minus the probability of both red. You can say probability of both red. So it will be 1 minus 12 over 30. If I'll calculate 12 minus 1 over 30, 1 minus 12 over 30, that will be 3 over 5. So it's equal to 3 over 5. Now next part B, another bag contains 5 blue marble and 2 green marble. Let's have a look at, there is another bag. Inside this bag there are 5 blue marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue marbles and 2 green marbles. Let's take the 2 green marbles. 1, 2. So in total are 7. Now brain picks 1 marble at random without replacement. Again, it is without replacement. Even if it is not mentioned without replacement and it's a random pick, so it means it's without replacement if it is not mentioned. If this marble is not green, he picks another marble at random without replacement. Mean he have to select a green, but the chances are maybe he will not be able to get the green. But if he will not get the green, he will not replace and will choose another one. So we'll continue this effort until he picks a green. Find the probability that he picks a green marble on the first, second or third attempt. Okay, maybe he will be able to get a green marble on the first attempt. If he is able to get the green marble on the first attempt, then what will be? It will be for the green. For the green, it is going to be in the first attempt, because there are total 2 greens out of 7. Or maybe he is not able to get in the first attempt. If he is not able to get in the first attempt, maybe in the first attempt he did not get, he get a blue, then it will be, yani first he gets a blue whose probability is 5 out of 7, and then get a green in the second attempt. If so, in that case it will be 2 over 6, or because he, for third attempt we have to, maybe in the first attempt he don't get, then 5 over 7 blue, and then also in the second don't get, so mean in the second also get a blue, and this is without replacement, so it will be 4 over 6, and then finally in the third attempt get, so 2 over 5. So for the or, when we use or we add them, so it will be 2 over 7 plus, if I will calculate this one, this is going to be 10 over 42, or means plus 5 times 4 is 20 times 2 40 over 7 times 6, if I will take this 7 times 6 times 5, and that is 210, and let's calculate this one, 2 over 7 plus 10 over 42 plus 40 over 210, so it's 5 over 7, so it means this probability is 5 over 7. An easy question, just a little bit tricky. Always probability is a little tricky. You have to read it carefully. Yes. Now next question number 9 is f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find f of 4. We have to find f of 4. For finding f of 4, replace x with 4. So we will get 2 into 4 minus 3, which is 8 minus 3 will be 5. Second part is h g of 3. It means I have to put g of 3 in h. So first I need to get g of 3. What is g of 3? G of 3 is 9 minus 3 square, which is 0. Because if I will find g of 3, so 9 minus 3 square will be 0. Now if h g of 3 mean the value of g of 3 in h you will write. So it will become, wherever x is coming here, I will write g of 3. So 3 g of 3. So 3 power, what is g of 3? G of 3 is 0, and any number power 0 is equal to 1. That will give 1. Now next, the third part is g of 2x in its simplest form. We have to find g of 2x in the simplest form. What is the meaning of g of 2x? It means in g of x, you have to write 2x. G of x, given g of x is 9 minus x squared. Now if we have to find g of 2x, it means where x is coming, write 2x. 9 minus 2x squared. That will be 9 minus 4x squared. This is the simplest form that we have for this. And then part 4 is find f g of x in its simplest form. Now to find f g of x, it means in f replace with gx. What is our f of x? Is 2x minus 3. F of x is 2x minus 3. To find f g of x, wherever x is coming, write gx. Now what is gx? Gx is this 9 minus x squared. So we'll get 18 minus 2x squared minus 3. We can say it's 15 minus x squared. That is our fg of x. And then in the next part, it's been asked to find f inverse x. Now, how do we find f inverse x? Always first we say let y is equal to f of x. The given function equal to y, and x equal to f inverse y, because if you will take this f to the other side, so it will become f inverse y. Now replace this in the function f of x. This is our f of x. In f of x, if I will replace y, so the given function f of x will become y equal to 2x minus 3. Now from here you have to separate x. So it will become y plus 3 equals to 2x. And then what will be x? X will be equal to y plus 3 over 2. Now, what is x? X is equal to f inverse y. That is, so finally replace y with x. On both sides, f inverse x will become x plus 3 over 2. That is our f inverse x. And in the part C is find x when 5 f of x is equal to 3. Now 5 f of x. What is f of x? F of x is 2x minus 3. It's given equal to 3. So find the value of x. 10x minus 15 equals to 3. 10x equals to 3 plus 15. 10x equal to 18. Finally, x will be equal to 18 over 10. Or you can say divide by 2, so 9 over 5. X is 9 over 5. Next part D is solve g f of x equal to minus 16. Now what is meaning of g f of x? Again g we did not find it in the previous part. G of x is 9 minus x square. Let me write them here. 9 minus x square and f of x is 2x minus 3. So we have to find g f of x. For finding g f of x, what I need to do is I will put f of x in g. That will be g f of x. So where x is coming right, f of x, 9 minus f of x square. That will be 9 minus, what is f of x? Is 2x minus 3. So will become 9 minus, no, I have to solve for minus 16. So what I need to do is, let's put this equal to minus 16 because it is given g f of x is equal to minus 16. I can write it minus 16. Now take it to this side and bring it to this side. It will become 2x minus 3 square equals to 9 plus 16. And we'll have 25. Now take square root on both sides. 2x minus 3 will be plus minus 5. I can say plus minus 5 if I will take the square root. So there are two possibilities. Possibility number 1 is 2x minus 3 will be equal to 5. And possibility number 2 is 2x minus 3 equal to minus 5. So I can get the two values of x from here. 2x equal to 5 plus 3, which is 8. So x will be equal to 4. And 2x equal to minus 5 plus 3. 2x equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 over 2, which is minus 1. And from here, so two values of x are 4 and minus 1. This. And next part E, find x when h inverse x is equal to minus 2. Now h of x is given 3 power x. H of x is equal to 3 power x. Now I have to solve h inverse equal to minus 2. So first I need to get h inverse x. So for that, if I use this property, h inverse x, mean it's, if I take the reciprocal of this one, I can get h inverse x. It will be 3 to the power minus x. So now it's equal to minus 2, so I can say minus 2 equal to 3 power minus x. Now I can write it minus 2 equals to 1 over 3 power x cross multiply 3 power x into minus 2 equals to 1, and 3 power x will become minus 1 over 2. But right now I can use the logarithm option here. There are other ways also, and one option is using the logarithm rule. What is the logarithm rule? You know, a power x equals to y. I can write x equals to logarithm y to the base a. So using this property here, I can write x equals to logarithm of minus 1 over 2 to the base 3. And that you can do with your calculator. Here is your calculator. Use logarithm base 3 for minus 1 over 2. Oh my God, it's giving error. Let me check where I made somewhere mistake. I think if I can write inverse x equals to minus 2. Let me check. I make somewhere mistake. 1 second. I'm sorry, because otherwise the calculator should not give the math error. I can say for the h inverse x, one way to solve this one is h inverse x. First, I need to find h inverse. For h inverse x, I can say let y is equal to, but this is only one mark. No need to go for that. H of x and x equal to h inverse y. So finally, y will be equal to 3 power x. But how? I again need to go for the logarithm, which is not acceptable for IGCSE. I think will not be suitable and appropriate. So is it not better if I write it h inverse x question number 10, 1 over x minus 2 over x plus 1 equals to 3. Take LCM of this one or make the denominator similar. How we can make the denominator similar? Up and down multiply x plus 1 with this one. And up and down multiply with x for this one. Now write the LCM x into x plus 1. That will be x plus 1 minus 2x equals to 3. So from here, x minus 2x will be minus x. So 1 minus x equals to 3x into x plus 1. 1 minus x equals to 3x squared plus 3x. From here, I can make it a quadratic. 3x squared plus 3x plus x minus 1 equals to 0. 3x squared plus 2x plus 4x, sorry, minus 1 equals to 0. You can use your quadratic formula. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to minus 1. So x will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So putting the values in this one will give you minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 1 over 2 times 3. So that will become, let's calculate this square root part first, the complete square root part if I will calculate, which will give me 4 square minus, this minus and minus will become plus, but let's see, directly use the calculator. It's 2 square root 7. So 2, it will be minus 4 plus minus 2 square root of 7 over 6. So you can convert these values into decimal and write here. That will be pretty simple. After the calculation you can. All right. Now next, question number 11. OAB is a triangle and ABC and PQC are the straight lines. These are the straight lines. P is the midpoint of OAQ. P is the midpoint of O, sorry, P is the midpoint of OA, is the midpoint of OA, and Q is the midpoint of PC. This Q is the midpoint of PC, and OQ ratio QB is 3 ratio 1. These are in OQ is 3 part and this is 1 part. They are in the 3 ratio 1. OA is equal to 4A. This OA is 4A. It means this one is 2A. This one is also 2A. And OB is 8B. AB is 8B. So find in terms of A and B, AB in the simplest form. So if I have to find this AB, I can use AB will be equal to AO plus OB. So what is AO? AO is, we are given OA, so AO will be negative 4A plus OB, OB is 8B, which is minus 4A plus 8B. Next we have to find OQ. Now for finding OQ, we can use the ratio formula, the ratio rule. According to the ratio rule, if I will use this ratio rule, so what it will be? The ratio of OQ, which is 3, over sum of ratios, 3 plus 1 is 4 times the vector OB. So that will be 3 over 4 times 8B, which will be 6B. So we found OQ as 6B. And next, PQ. Now to find the PQ, quite simple. Consider this triangle. It will be PO plus OQ. Will be, sorry, PO yes, PO plus OQ. So what is PO minus 2A plus OQ? OQ we found right now is 6B. So it means we found PQ. And then next, by using the vector, find the ratio AB ratio BC. Now to find the AB ratio BC, I need the vector AB and BC first. Now what is vector AB? If I consider this vector AB, we already found AB is minus 4A plus 8B, but I need to find this BC also. To find this BC, use this point. The Q is the midpoint. So this PQ and QC will be same. Okay. So BC will be BQ plus QC. I'll say BC will be equal to BQ plus QC. Now BQ we need to find first. What is BQ? It will be the ratio of BQ over sum of ratios multiply the vector BO. 1 over 4. Now we are given OB, so BO will be negative 8, which is minus 2B. So BQ is this minus 2B plus QC. QC is same as PQ. PQ we found here, which is minus 2A plus 4B. Minus 2A plus 4B. So that will become, if I will find, is minus 2A plus 2B. So if you compare it with this one, now what is our AB? I can write here the vector AB, which is minus 4A plus 8B, while vector BC is minus 2A plus 2B. Take common 4 from here. No, instead of 4, take 2 only, sorry, because I have to make this similar vector. I can say it's minus 2A plus no, it will not be. We make somewhere mistake. Let me check. BQ minus 2B and QC is minus 2A plus 4B. No, it was 6b. That was the mistake. Sorry, it was 6b, so then this will be 4b. Now it's okay. If this is 4b, so then yes. So exactly you can see AB, it means I can write AB equals to 2 times of BC. So from here, I can write the ratio. Now, what is the ratio of AB? This one, 2. So AB ratio BC is actually 2 ratio 1, because whatever is multiplied with BC will be ratio of AB. Whatever is multiplied with AB is the ratio of BC. So they are in 2 and 1 ratio. That is end of this paper. And next